Very good morning to all of you. This is Urmila. On the occasion of 2020 International Women's Day, I would like to make an appeal to Honorable Governor of Telangana. It's a time to remember late Honorable Chief Justice J.S. Verma, Honorable Supreme Court of India, State of Rajasthan, as the Lordship stated. The meaning and content of the fundamental rights guaranteed in the Constitution of India are of sufficient scopes to include all sides of gender equality. Irrespective of all these, the Indian women are facing workplace harassments in government sectors too, constituting about half of the global population. It's important to ensure they have safeguards for protecting their rights and status at workplaces. However, in our society, addressing sexual harassment at workplace in government sectors and private sectors is far behind. Only very few of them spoke on record. That too on the condition of namelessness about the objectionable behavior on one man, maybe or subordinate or her boss. And some of speak of a man who will remain no face or no name. If any victim do dare to approach justice, if she has not any influence and economically not so harmful, men always will escape in such a cases. In spite of number of women protection laws are there, women victims remain unprotected. The laws are Harassment Act 1997, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention and Redressal Act 2012. It is an act to provide protection against the sexual harassment of women at workplace and for the prevention and redressal of complaints of sexual harassment. This law applies to women harassed in the workplace, including women working as domestic workers, daily wages, temporary or permanent, full-time or part-time, as well as volunteers. The woman may or may not be employed and can be of any age. The law is only applicable of women and women only. The Government of India introduced an internal complaint committee constituted under the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013. It will have the same powers as delivered in civil court under the Code of Civil Procedure, provide criminal and civil remedies, respect of harassment. In this direction, the Government of India has implemented the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013. But in spite of number of women protection laws are there, women victims remain unprotected as stated or unstated number of reasons. In Telangana, actress Sri Reddy issue about the casting couch in Telugu film industry in the year 2018 grabbed the attention of number of common people of the society, NGOs, the Telangana government and even the Honorable NHRC, New Delhi. The Honorable National Human Rights Commission intervened by taking sumoto on casting couch issue in the Telugu film industry and issued notice to Hon'ble Telangana Chief Secretary. However, at that time, even Telangana government also looked into the matter sympathetically, responsibly. In this record, in the month of April 2018, even I approached Honorable Srimati Menaka Gandhi, the and then Honorable Union of Women and Child Development Minister, through the petition begged the direction to introduce casting couch committees in the government sectors of Telangana too, like Telugu film industry. The petition is 26/4/2018. The petition is available in the link. And copy sent to Honorable Chairperson of National Human Rights Commission, National Human Rights Commission and Women Commission, and Honorable Chairperson, Telangana State Women Chairperson and Human Rights Commission of Hyderabad. The petition is available in the link as per the date. However, unfortunately, no action taken towards my petition in this regard. Not only this one actress incident. Obviously, the Honorable Governor to gather the information or got notice momentum across the worldwide with many celebrities coming out about sexual misconduct by the men in the workplace with women. That is from Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, and even state and central government sectors too. It's a time to draw the line on honorable government Telangana government departments to workplace sexual harassment by introducing costing couch committees in all government sectors like Telugu film industry. Being a citizen of India, being a part and parcel of Telangana, by remembering the words of the Honorable Lordship late Sri J.S. Verma, with folded hands, my humble appeal to Honorable Governor of Telangana, I beg to intervene to direct the government of Telangana to introduce costing couch committees in all government sectors too, like Telugu film industry. Kindly intervene to become part of the solution. The committee should entertain along with gout employees and female students who are staying in the hostels apart their parents all over the Telangana state. Then definitely it will be helpful for women employees as well as students. If this provision uh, will these provisions were available in the state of Telangana, there would have no incident like recently occurred in Silsila Girls Hostel. Number of women protection laws are available on the papers, but towards this act, no ground level exercises are going on. In the nation, one side brutal Katua, Unnav incidents are there, and other side criminal wild hunt is there in all working sectors, including gout sectors. Respected Madam, Honorable, your intervention might give to the Telangana government the situation a working woman in gout sectors, temporary or permanent, and girl students who are living in hostels, a sense of the magnitude of the problem. As the Honorable intervention is very badly required. Thanking you. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.